Hello.
We went to the fresh market here in Rayong.
Chunburi.
Ay, nasa Chunburi na pala kami. Nasa Pattaya. Ay, Chunburi. So,
Province or district?
District.
a district of Chunburi sa Mesan. So, magla-life hacks tayo.
There's so many boats here.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what we can buy from the fresh market. We are in a pier. Lots of boats.
What's that floating in the sea? The red and blue one.
That's a big ball. Nice.
I hope we can ride one, Mommy.
Is that for riding? It's for fishing. Let's go.
I want to fish.
Wow,
When
look
you
at
grow
this.
up.
Tahong. Tahong. Wow.
หมึกเป็นโลนึงฟรีนะคะ
Hmm? Gusto mo niya?
ไหนดีคะ
Pero hindi siya naliit.
ไหนดีจ้าปลากระพงทอดและน้ำปลาจ้ะได้ดีแล้วได้ความดีจ้า
100 baht.
Ooh, squid.
Only 50 baht.
Whoa. There's
For hand.
squid.
Yes! Squid. They look like crabs.
What are these, Mommy?
Daddy, yung lalaki ng
Mommy, what are
tahong.
these?
Crabs.
อะไรดีคะ
Let's go, let's go.
What? Mommy, you know how much is the crabs? 500.
400. Ah, there. I love it. Shells, Daddy. Gusto ko yun. Tatlong kilo. Sandaan. Hmm? Ha? Yeah. Jadi pwede siya ipaluto. Pwede siya ipaluto.
มีตัวเมียไหมคะ มีจ้ะ
Pwede siya ipaluto. Ayun, Daddy, oh. 308, 200, 380.
ตัวผู้จะมีเนื้อตัวเมียจะมีไขมัน100จ้ะมีน้ำจิ้มมี120 บาทจะไม่120จ้ะ
Ano yan? This one. 60 lahat?
เดี๋ยวหนูแกะให้พี่ไม่ได้แกะเองนะ เดี๋ยวเราแกะเปิดฝาให้เลยค่ะ
อันนี้โลละเหรอคะ
ตัวละ
ว้าว per piece 60 บาท
สุราษฎร์แท้นะพี่ ถ้าเป็นเวียดนามตัวยาวนะคะ อันนี้มันได้มาแค่นี้หนูเลยขาด60 บาทไม่ได้ทุนนะเนี่ย
อืม
ทุนมาไม่ได้นะ60บาทพี่2 4 6 8 12 13ตัว600ไม่ใช่ฟรี3ตัว
Let's go.
ของดีนะคะ
Okay, mas mura ang shrimp dito, 220 lang. Pero mas maliliit.
ดูก่อนได้ครับ อันนี้2 โล 400 ได้พี่สแกนได้เลยครับ
Ah, pwede mag-scan dito. Dami ding locals na nagtitinda. Mga dried, ano naman siya. Dried things. Let's go over there. Oh, mostly crabs and shrimp. 400, 500 per kilo.
Can we look for
Sorry, dried squid, anak.
You cooked that already, Michelle.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy. This is only 200, 300. Let's go, anak. Let's go, go, go. Wow.
Mommy, is this real life?
Yeah. cook nila dyan. These are bigger. Hindi ko alam eh. Walang price eh. Bigger kasi siya. Ah? Alas? 400. 320. That's for eating, anak. You will buy them and they will cook it for you.
Don't go yet. I wanna look at you. Whoa!
This one.
It's a bowl.
You're using dalawang batuta. Tara na po.
No, I'm not asking that. Where is the stick?
Ate is so tangchay about this. Hey! So we bought some crabs and then shrimp and then ayun, tahong ni
Carla.
Carla. Yeah, look! Yay! Look at that. Oh, dami. Nakaka-excite na kumain. Let's go. Let's have a mukbang, okay?
I'm just gonna eat fried rice.
Me, how about the shrimp?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's have mukbang, okay?
Okay.
Yay! This is it, this is it! Look at that! This is it! Ako na magtaklog. Look! So that's it. Let's see later. So there we go. We went to the market. And the good thing is, iniihaw na rin nila and ni-steam na rin nila. So, babalik na kami sa hotel to have a mukbang. See you later!
Can you tell when it's hot, guys? It describes you like
Yeah, it was hot there in the market. Of course, anak, they don't have air conditioner. So, ayun. I think this is the best thing na nangyari dito sa amin dito sa Rayong. For only around 750 baht. Meron kaming crab,
the brown boat
may
is
tahong,
almost like bubbling.
may shell. Ano bang shell yun? Hindi ko alam. It's the mussel, anak. And then we have, what else? Hipon, and then may squid. So, let's see.
I'm allergic to squid, guys.
I'm excited.
If you're allergic to squid. I'm allergic to squid.
Pareho na kayo, ano? And then may free pa silang mga sausawan. That's the best thing. Bakit ngayon lang last day na? Okay, bye-bye! See you next. Mukbang. Yeah! Shrimp. Then we have these shells. And then pineapple. We have these crabs. And this. The tahong ni Carla na madidilaw. So, ayan. This will be our lunch for today. Let's start mukbang. Crab. We have this crab.
Nom, nom, nom,
Num 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 daw. And then my favorite, tahong ni Carla. Hipon and what is this? I don't know what is this. Pero masarap. It's kind of salty. Maano mo talaga yung lasa ng dagat. Really lasa ng dagat. So, kamayan tayo this time. I wanna start with a crab. Mamaya na yun. Ay, wala kang plato.
Thank you.
Say subo, anak. Ay, but you have to eat this first. Ganyan daw yun. Sabi, you need to eat the, what do you call this? Sipit. Bago daw kayo kumain. ng ano, crab. Wala akong lagayan naman.
Pwede na.
Ayun nga.
I'm gonna drink. Dad.
Sarap. So we drive like 30 minutes going there and then 30 minutes coming back. Sulit. Sulit yung driving. Then we have pusi. Let's taste the ulo. Paborito ko ang ulo. Then we have this spicy sausawan.
Get a spring and then get it cut. See, here.